Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
Life storage. What's up? Checking out the frequent flyer. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Still back Thursday. Out here with my Typhon. This is the Arrma Typhon 3S, y'all. But I upgraded it to 4S. Out here super early in the morning. I guess that's why we're able to see the ground effect lights that I added to this thing. Try to hit that turn right there. It's going too fast. Oh! Almost took out my leg. Yeah, it's real slippery out here, so it's hard to turn it at top speed, so I can't really go all the way ham on it. Yeah, I'm sliding all around with this thing. This thing is a rock. I've had this thing for a few years now, and I haven't broken anything on it. Been crashing it here and there. Most of the times I pretty much keep control of this guy without smacking it into the side of a pavement or something. This guy is a 1/8 scale. I usually can get off a turn if I pump on the gas. And sometimes it does that. It's real cold out here too, so I gotta be careful. You know, these plastics get real brittle when it's cold out. This isn't a full battery either, y'all. I was out running this already on this battery and I quit. So I came back out to finish it off. So when this guy is fully charged, with a fresh pack, it's a little more peppy than it is now. It wants to wheelie all the time. Now I can't even get a wheelie up right now. battery seems like it's pretty much spent, y'all. Yeah, the battery's done, y'all. It's tapping out. Typhon 3S made to the Typhon 4S. Throwback Thursday, y'all. Thanks for watching.